Landed 7772 Breaking News. Welcome back to Landed 7772 News Updates. Landed homes prices have remained strong and we have seen the average price increase by close to 20% just in this year itself. So why are home buyers still snapping up landed homes in the current market where interest rates are rising? We speak to our Landed 7772 reporter on the ground, Gerald Lim, to find out more. Gerald, so where is your location now and how is the situation on the ground like?
Yes, hi Agnes. I'm now located within Sembawang Hill Estate in District 20, Singapore, along Jalan Leban. I'm here today to check out this pair of brand new intermediate terraces for sale, and I understand that one of them has already been sold even before the first egg was laid. It was sold before the first brick was laid.
Oh, that is interesting. So do you have any idea why are buyers snapping up landed homes even before they have been built?
Okay, buyers that I have spoken to have indicated that value of landed properties are expected to continue to grow, and with higher construction costs these days, it makes more sense to buy into a brand new home so they are able to shift in immediately after the house has complete development. This will actually save them more time and effort from going through the hassle of rebuilding or renovating the house on their own.
I see. So can you tell me more about the house that is undergoing development behind you now?
Oh well, yes of course. According to developer, this is an upcoming pair of two-story intermediate terraces that comes complete with roof terrace and mezzanine floor. The house that is still available is sitting on a land size of approximately 1960 square feet and a humongous built-up area of 5,500 square feet, where they will be providing 5 generous-sized bedrooms, all with their own attached bathrooms. And you can actually park 2 cars easily in the car porch. And you know what? For most landed properties that comes with pool, they are usually the bigger homes like corner terraces, semi-detached or detached homes. The developer has planned out for a lap pool on the mezzanine level, which is the entertainment deck. Woo! Talking about it, I just feel like diving into the pool right now.
Oh, sorry, I thought the screen is still on site. So what other features are there in this development that the other unit has been sold even before it is built? I heard that the buyers managed to view the house, but how is that possible when the house is not even built yet?
This one you must know. Of course, when a house is not built yet, we cannot view the house, but we can make use of technology to help us in selling the house. You want to experience it also?
Well, if that is the chance for me to experience it, why not?
Okay, you want it, you get it, let's go! Yo yo!
Wow, where are we now?
We are right now inside 60 Jalan Leban Law. Steady right?
Yeah, man.
Where's the helmet?
For safety purpose, wear helmet.
Okay.
Okay, now we are at the construction site. So before we move around, helmets on already. Yeah? Now we are standing inside the living room. See the design? A double volume ceiling in the living area to give you a super spacious view. And I tell you, this house is definitely worth buying. You see the layout? The dining room is just here. So when you can actually invite your friends over to do gathering at home, right? Your guests can interact freely. Now no need to wear masks already, can just party.
Oh yes, definitely feel the spaciousness here. There is also a home lift that serves all levels that is tucked away to the side nicely, as well as the staircase.
Yeah man, let's go check out the kitchen now. I'm sure you'll love it as well.
Wow, wow, wow. The whole layout of the kitchen is so neat. Really make full use of the space. Great to see that the kitchen cabinets lining along the walls to free up more working space to be the center. I can even consider putting in the island kitchen. This is really very thoughtful of the developers.
Yes, not only that, do you realize that as we walk into the kitchen here, we pass by the dry kitchen area where you have also top and bottom cabinet space that is neatly tucked to the side. So there is actually ample storage space available that is neatly organized.
Indeed, I am very impressed with the entire design so far, and I have heard that the developer has done quite a number of landed houses in this area, and to deliver quite a number of landed projects to the satisfied customer over the past 10 years. I am sure that having the necessary experience in the development really helps in designing a functional landed home to the consumer in the market today. So, how can buyers find out about this development?
Oh, buyers who are interested in this project can actually call listing manager from Landed 7772 to find out more. She's Sharon and she can be contacted on her hotline at 9277 7772. So give her a call soon before this unit is taken. AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance, your compass for landed properties.
Hey, how we go back to studio, yeah?
We are already in the studio.
OK，
导演可以吗？
你看我的，你看我的。AAG landed 7772 breaking news.